Hi, Chad. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? Uh, before there was heaven, there was McDonald land. On the first day, God said, yo, let there be Mayor McCheese. And on the second day, he said, yo, let's put a little, get a little, can I get some fries with that shake? And he invented the Fry Kids, and we're happy about that. Hi. This is a stream I've been trying to do for a bit, and I kind of feel like not only am I late to the party on this, there is no party, which makes me want to do it even more. I might be the only freak who is like, yeah, this is funny. Allegedly, there's a secret Fortnite world. McDonald's has this promotion, okay? I actually think it's ending soon. The McDonald Land meal. Oh, we brought them all back. You get a little tin. Oh, yippee. Okay. Cool. But in it is this card, and I'm not gonna show you the card because you're gonna steal my code. But on the back of this card is a code that if you type in on McDonald's website, on McDonaldland.com, allegedly, then you get the secret Fortnite code. Then you can go to McDonald Land in Fortnite. Now, here's the thing. Here's what's killing me about this. I don't know anyone. I haven't even seen actual footage of this. I don't know shit about this. I don't know anyone else who gives a shit enough about McDonald Land to do this. There's a part of me that is really hoping I put in this code and nothing fucking happens, man. There's a part of me that hopes I put in this code and like that there is not a Fortnite world, and I have been like misled by TikTok comments or something somewhere where I got this in my head that there's a Fortnite world. And then I'm going to advocate even stronger for I need a producer for my streams, because when left unattended, I'm entering codes on McDonald's website to play Fortnite for my stream. So I'm kind of hoping there isn't a Fortnite world. Because I feel like it'd be the most like we gotta get him a caretaker, don't we? We gotta someone's gotta watch over that guy. So I think, without further ado, I think I should enter this code. What do you mean it's just 10% off your next stay? 10% off your next stay from booking.com? Huh? No way. Wait. Make sure to drink your Ovaltine. The fuck do you mean? Is there really no Fortnite? Where did you hear anything about this Fortnite thing? I don't know. I'm realizing that now. I don't know. Is this not real? McDonald's Land Fortnite. 3 weeks ago. Oh, no, it's real. It's real. It is. I just don't know how I'm supposed to find this. How was I supposed to get this? I don't know. But it's real. It's real. Damn, this is the best of both worlds. I got a drink your Ovaltine message, and the Fortnite is real. You didn't have to buy anything to do it? Well, now you fucking tell me. After the food poisoning, it's okay because I did get the Mayor McCheese tin, and it came with Mayor McCheese stickers. So, but I'm gonna use that 10% off booking.com. Where should we go on vacation, chat? You and me. I thought you knew what you were talking about. Me? Is this your first stream? All right, turn the music off. All right. I'm going to launch Fortnite for the first time in probably a year. And it's probably going to be the loudest fucking thing I've ever heard. And I don't know where my window capture button is. There it is. Fortnite. Okay. Oh, I don't. Okay. Hold on, it's Fortniting. Hold on, it's Fortniting. I feel like I downloaded Fortnite off of like a newgrounds.com side ad. That's what this feels like to me. You're missing out on the new overlay. No, fuck you. Don't come into my chat and tell me these things. Does Fortnite always take this long to boot up? Find the best settings. Okay, confirm. Oh, can I skip? Is that a Spartan? This is gonna get me DMCA claimed, isn't it? DMCA claim. Ba 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 ba. I love DMCA music. 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 Kids don't give a fuck about Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. We have to get over this shit. Oh, okay. Ninja! Lego Ninja! Gold Ninja Blitz Boss. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, dude. Claim all. Did someone buy you Ninja? No, what am I looking at? Why is Weezer playing right now? Please, I'm so overstimulated. Introducing an easier way to edit. I don't give a shit. How do I turn off Weezer? Google. How to turn off Weezer. Turn off Weezer. Help. You set Weezer as your background music. How do I unset? Weezer. Weezer. Music. Okay, what just happened? No, no, it's playing Weezer again. Stop playing Weezer. You're on shuffle. Play anything but Weezer. Is that LeBron James? That is not LeBron James. Stop playing Weezer. Turn it off. Turn it off. I'm scared. Okay, okay. Okay, character. Yeah, the last time I played this game is when they put out Super Shredder, and he looks dope as fuck. What the fuck am I listening to, dude? Who should we go to? All right, who do we go to McDonald Land as? Do we do Ninja? Do we? I feel like we should do Raiden or Snake. This sucks. What is happening? I feel like I'm having an anxiety attack. Okay. And then the back, let's do back bling. Brian Griffin back bling. What's this? Kicks? Wait, you could get sneakers? Wait, can I buy sneakers? Welcome to the Fortnite shop. Can I put kicks on Raiden? Oh, a baguette. Who is this? Who's Flakes? I don't know who this is. I don't think we need to do anything else this stream. Listen, I've got 2,900 V-Bucks. I don't know why. So we'll buy it. Let's do it. What do I have to lose? How do I buy sneakers to put them on Snake? Oh, Adventure Time. Whoa. I know Adventure Time. I don't see any sneakers. Dude, you gotta get the One Punch Man car. One Punch Man fucking sucks. Can I level with you? Can I be real with you? Season 1 of the anime is pretty alright. And then season 2 is fucking putrid. Oh, oh, they're Air Jordans. That's crazy. That's fucking nuts. Pay real money to get fake video game sneakers. That's fucking crazy to me. I want to try on. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, dude, he's got that shit on, dude. Otacon. Got that shit on. Snake, you're looking chopped. All right, what music? Okay, they got Nirvana. Nice. Oh shit, wait, this is a good song though. There was like a period where I felt like there was like 4 or 5 game trailers in a row use this song. This is a great album though. I think Junior Senior doesn't exist anymore, but this album fucking ruled. Okay, this is like the shittiest like Spotify playlist. This is like your incredibly white coworkers liked songs on Spotify. Not even the best Cranberry song. Oh shit, dude, they got Marvel? Who here, guys, who here is picking up the Hella skin? Who's getting Hella? Nice, dude. Who's getting the Deep Rock Galactic skins? What is this? Battle bus? Is this for rocket racing? That's actually cute. I would actually fuck with this. I actually do fuck with that. I liked Rocket Shack. Why did no one tell me you could buy Shack? Who is out here with the Shack skin? Who is spending money on the Shack skin? No offense to Shaquille O'Neal, but who's out here buying this? Oh, guys, who are you getting? Who are you picking up? Are you getting Shaq or Hatsune Miku? Ah! This is what Snake did after he talked to Big Boss in the graveyard. This is what he did. This sucks. Okay. What are Lego kits? What is Fortnite Lego Fortnite Odyssey? What's the difference between Odyssey and Brick Life? What is this? Do you have to buy this stuff to be able to build it in the Fortnite game, in the Lego Fortnite now? That's fucked. Dude, kids are so fucked. We don't make games for kids anymore. We make virtual Lego sets that they have to spend real money on. We're so fucked. Cheaper than real Legos, to be fair. Okay. No, you don't have to be fair, dude. You don't have to be fair. They don't make Legos for kids anymore. Legos is purely a fucking millennial, like, baby man hobby. They don't make Legos for children anymore. And now you can't even fucking, your kid logs on to Lego Fortnite and they gotta spend $10 to build a lighthouse. It's fucked. I like that she's a bumblebee lady. That's cool. Okay, now how do I play? How do I work this? What is this? SpongeBob Tycoon? Game collections, Ninja Turtles. What? Turtles Tag Tournament. Wait. Classic TMNT. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Oh man, I think this is AI slop. But hold on. I have to know what this is like. I have to know what this is like. We'll go to McDonald Land in a minute. Oh, it's got to download. Okay, maybe it's going to be a couple minutes. All right, I'm going to be a stickler about this. This is absolutely AI art, right? I'm going to critique every pixel of this. If they don't play the music I'm gonna vomit. And I don't know how they would. Look at their weapon. Oh no, this is so AI art. Oh no. It is for the same Turtle. Well, the red headbands were on the NES cartridge. So for the cover of the first Ninja Turtle game, they like, what is it? Is it issue 3? Is it a reprint of issue 3? What is happening? This is not the music. What is this? What is this music? No, I don't. This is not Turtles NES. I don't know how to break this to them. This is not that, but oh, okay. They're doing something. Where's the Chainsaw Man? See, their first fuck up was putting actual Ninja Turtle enemies in the game. Oh. I also, these levels are not accurate. So can I just do this shit and like max out the battle pass? What's to stop someone from making a level that's just like 400 of these scrolls lined up so you can max out the battle pass? This foot ninja's cool. Where did they get a foot ninja from? They put Fort Ninjas and Mausers in Fortnite? Pizza. Okay, where's the impossible to cross jump though? Is this based on the DOS version? Is it the DOS version? Where there's an uncompletable jump because they didn't finish the game and then sold it at retail anyways? Because fuck you. Why am I playing this and not like, was it Splintered Fate? The roguelike? The Hades-like? That I had, like... I bought that game and I haven't played... Okay, I'm done touching this. We have to go to McDonald's Land! Show your appreciation. No. Leave. I want to go to McDonald's Land, dude. Free RP, play that. No. I gentle. I did apply. I did apply for free to RP. But if I get on it, I'm not playing Beans. I've decided that. And I'm only gonna do. Rain told me that there's a mailman job, and I just want to do that. I just want to drive around and be a mailman and get shot. But also, I don't know. I mean, it looks like free 2RP is better right now than the other server, so. I know Rain's like getting Casey's again. I'm like, yeah, fuck it, why not? Let's just move everything over. Why not? Okay, how do I go to McDonald's? How do I, is it this? Here we go. Kirby, what's the code again? 864027159839. Okay, officially sanctioned McDonald's Fortnite. I am gonna get to suck Grimace's toes. I gotta drink more of these vodka seltzers. Party join request. No. No. No thanks. I don't play with fans. Oh my god, these are bad. They're bad, but my fridge is full of them now because I bought a party pack. I have to get drunk to make fridge space. You don't understand. Alright, okay. Alright, welcome to McDonald Land. Wow. Wow, there he is, Ronald McDonald himself. Speak to Mayor McCheese. I'm Mayor McCheese. Want to watch a quick intro? Yeah, let's do it. I thought like a video was gonna play. It's all right. There are 4 people in McDonald Land. Yeah, it's getting crazy over here in McDonald. I don't even need GTA RP. I'm gonna be doing Fortnite McDonald Land RP. Grow a seed. Fuck yeah. Hold on, is there music? Turn music back on. Music is on. Why did I think I turned it off? Okay. Change outfit. Can I change into Ronald? Oh, why did he snap his head on like that? Oh, that was fucked up. Anyways, yeah, I'm not playing on unscripted anymore. I'm not playing on free 2RP. You're not gonna catch me on Washington State RP. I'm gonna be here McDonald Lands. Fortnite McDonald Land RP. Look, they've got a farming mechanic, which unscripted didn't get. Okay. They've got ranks. GTRP doesn't have that. They've got an overwhelming UI. GTRP does have that, actually. That is the one thing GTRP does have. They've got a motorcycle. Look, here it is. Here's the, look, a motorcycle. This is the McDonald Land, Lost Compound. Look, they got it. Well, actually, wait, there's a motorcycle out front, not a supercar. Never mind. Not the Lost. Oh, they've got the music. How do I emote? How do I emote? How do I emote? What's the emote button? Oh, I got it. Hold down on D-pad. I don't know what that is. Wow! It's all the characters. You've got Burgle. You've got Captain Crook. You got Granmill. You got Ranald. Or I just leave. Wait, are there mines? Can I go work in the McDonaldland mine? Why is there a dog bowl for Sunday? Collect all passport stamps. The fuck? You need your McDonaldland green card? Oh, okay. I didn't know I could do that in McDonaldland. So, what do you think the peak player count for this map was? I think right now we're at 4, so I'm gonna say probably this is it. Okay, can't go there. They're all confused on booking.com. Never old, man. Grimace Isle. Oh shit. Why is he so small? No, Grimace should be much bigger than this. Want to go on my shake expedition? What is only up? What is only up? What is only up? What is this question? Just get to the tippy top of Mount McDonaldland and fetch a shake for me. Just don't stop jumping. Okay. I know this is like officially sanctioned McDonald's Fortnite map, but I still something feels wrong. Like, I feel like I'm gonna get to the top of this and it's gonna be like a JPEG of Ronald McDonald with like bloody eyes. It feels dead. Ronald Goatsy at the top. Oh shit, I gotta get to the top. Ronald Blue Waffle. I gotta get to the fucking top. Oh, fuck. I don't have the patience for this. I don't have the patience for this shit. I don't care enough. But I have to know what's at the top. The top is Grimace's 2 ants. They give you a rim job. No, come the fuck on. This sucks. This is like the jumping shit in Final Fantasy 14. They love putting in these little jumping things in Final Fantasy 14. And, you know, that game's not built for fucking jumping puzzles. So it's miserable. This is that. Okay. Okay. Wait, they're recalibrating my rank. Hold on. Guys, this could be big for me. Fuck you. I heard if you get to the top rank, Ronald lets you slaughter the cows. Ronald lets you inject the steroids into the cows. Dude, I'm a guardian. I'm the McDonald's Land Guardian. Don't fuck with me. Oh my fucking god, you gotta start at the bottom. McDonald's Land Guardian is my new GTA RP biker gang. And we're really tough. If I do play on free 2RP, I've been thinking a lot about playing a character that's just me making fun of internet tough guys who play RP. Like, I just want to make a guy who is just like, oh, hey, you fucking, hey, you hit my car. Yo, I'm gonna kick your fucking ass. I'm stoic and smart too, but I'll punch you hard. Okay. This is bad. So I'm double tapping that jump to get that ledge grab. And what's cool is sometimes it doesn't work. What's cool is reading inputs is optional. That's cool that they built that as a parameter. But I am getting XP off of those McDonald Land shakes, so thank God. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a Fry Kid skin from this game mode, and that's upsetting. Because that's really what I set out to do. Bikers that don't ride bikes. Yeah, bikers who don't ride bikes, and just will be like, yeah, don't make me mad or I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I might have to shoot you because you talk too loud while I was gambling alone because no one wants to be my friend. But actually, it's my character's trait is he doesn't have any friends. Actually, my character's defining trait is that he can't make friends. So actually what I'm doing is just really good RP. Yeah, my character's trait. What's happening? Why is there an earthquake in McDonald Land? My character's trait is that he doesn't have any friends, and but women love him. So if I'm in women's DMs on Discord, what I'm doing is actually RPing. What I'm doing, I'm actually I'm the Mayor McCheese. This is the greatest day of my life. This is the greatest moment of my life. Yeah, if I'm in women's DMs trying to convince them to watch um the Star Wars prequels with me, it's actually because I'm doing like really, it's actually like part of my character's trait. It's actually part of my character's trait to DM women and say, I know we've just met, but I feel like I've known you my entire life. That's actually my character's defining trait. And then when I log into RP, like, not only am I protective of women who won't talk to me, but also I will threaten to shoot any man and call women cunts. But that's my character. I'm doing a character. And I'm really tough and scary. This is actually really smart RP. I'm gonna throw up playing this. I hate this shit. I just want to get to the top of Grimace Volcano. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna do an RP character like that. I think I'm gonna just do an RP character that's just me making fun of how fucking lame people are in RP. Every day I'm gonna post on Life Invader or whatever the social media is on that server. I'm gonna post, guys. I think I'm thinking of leaving the city, guys. I think you know, my flight's in 15 minutes. If anyone wants to say goodbye to me, they should do it now. Every 15 minutes I'm gonna post that on Life Invader. Bye, Gentle. Have fun. Have fun climbing Ronald's Mountain. Thank you. This is what peak RP looks like, okay? So you have fun on free to RP. I'm gonna be here in McDonald Land, okay? And I'm having a great time. I gotta get another vodka seltzer. Yeah, every 15 minutes I'm gonna post. Guys, I'm thinking my flight leaves in 15 minutes if anyone wants to say bye to me. And then every week, Coma RP. And then I'm gonna go to the hospital I'm gonna spend all my day at the hospital just being fucking annoying to anyone actually having RP. Please, please, I'm begging you. Please, I am fucking begging you. Did you just get made Mayor McCheese? Are you fucking kidding me? Hold on, I'm in a rhythm now. Hold on. Oh, no, please. Okay. Please, please, I'm gonna piss myself. Okay. 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 I love that the music just randomly fades in. That's a really nice touch. I'm gonna fucking scream. Kirby, is it worth it? Is what's up there worth it? Okay. No, please. I'm really glad they keep just replaying this one thing. and it fades in and out like I'm having like a concussive episode. Did I just cheat? Oh, please. Please. I just cheat. No, please. Please, I'm panicking. Thank you, LeBron James. Thank you, LeBron James. Wow. Oh shit, I got a passport stamp. Okay, all right, so there's actual gameplay happening here, okay? How many do we need? Okay, we got the Grimace Island stamp. I got the Hamburger Patch stamp. We need three more stamps. What game moments? Okay. Okay. All right. Oh shit. Whoa, Cell! Is that Cell? Yeah, that one's Cell, right? Frieza's the purple one. What's this? Can I play it? I want this. Wait, I want this. Do we get to keep this even if we leave the world? Probably not. Oh, why your feet sound like that, dude? You gotta moisturize your toes, brother. All right, let's go to Filet-O-Fish Lake. Okay, all right, that was a whole ass stamp. Nice, man. Hey, is there gameplay in this shit? I mean, I don't want to speak bad, but like you don't really do anything. You just walk forward and hit E. Oh, I wanna ride in the hot air balloon. Whee! 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 Wow. 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 Oh God, we're coming crashing back down to Earth. We don't have enough fuel left. All right, I want to go to Birdie's house. Ronald's Rumble. Do I get to beat up Ronald? This man's a stoner. Hey, friend. Hey. Let's have some wanky fun. That's what I say before I fuck. Oh, I lost. Okay. All right. All right, here we go. Did I just lose again? Okay. Wow, this is wacky fun, Ronald. You are right about that. This is some wacky fun. I can't fucking. What is happening? What is going on? This doesn't work. I can't see. Why did you make the objects red? You can't see. Who designed this? Who thought this was a good idea? What are you doing? What is going on, Ronald? Please. I can't process what's happening. Did I win? Did I get the stamp? That legitimately just doesn't work. This is some shit, man. Ronald's Rumble does not fucking work. Do I need that? Is that a passport stamp? Let me try it again. You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. What the fuck is going on? It doesn't work. Do I need that for a stamp? I have to see. Because if I do, we are fucked. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I think I got all of them. Oh, but we didn't get to... I want to go through the tubes. I want to go through Birdie's flight school. What's that? What is this? What am I looking at? Pick up. Bring apple here. Okay. All right. Oh, it's Birdie. Hi, Birdie. My flight school. Let's do it. Oh, fuck. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. Well. Yippee. And let me just say, wahoo. A good time was had by all. I missed one. Oh my god. My career's over. They're gonna impeach me as new Mayor McCheese. This is the worst day of my life. So do kids have fun playing Fortnite? Oh, I think I went off the track. I think I fell out. I think I just died. kids enjoy this shit or what? All right, get on your McDirt bike. Nice. Oh, it's the spinny thing. Wow, that they'd have to play places. Yippee! Wahoo! Yahoo! What's this? Big ball. Can I? Oh, okay. Kirby, hit it back. Hit the ball back. He's gone. All right. Well, we got all the passports stickers, so I guess we. Oh my God. Oh, okay. All right, ready? Wow, this is you. You fucked up. You just fucking ruined the game. You just fucking ruined it. This is the only game I have to play. This is the only game my mom lets me play. Don't try to charm your way out of this one. They got the Rizzler in this game yet or what? Nice, dude. Giant statue of Solid Snake. Just as God. That's not Solid Snake. All right, let's go. We got all the stickers. Let's go do whatever. Actually, wait. What's going on the train tracks? Let's go see what Bebe Cat is up to. No Hamburglar. Did you notice that? I'm not getting my pussy burgled or nothing. What is this? McDonald Land? Is this like you're gonna exit McDonald Land? Is this like exiting Toontown? Oh, there he fucking is. Hiding in the corner like a pervert. What is going on in here? Which McDonald character is this? Which McDonald Land character is Gangster Pickle? I don't remember that one. That's the pickle T-Pain had beef with. What? Excuse? If fucking what? How do I do this again? What's the emote button? What's the emote button? Nope. There we go. Yeah, bud. I'm gonna fucking pod race on you. This is a nightmare video game. Fortnite really became like Ready Player One type shit. Where do I have so many emotes. Why do I have so many emotes? Check this one out. Where's my pod racer? I want a pod race again. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. All right, can we wrap this segment up? It's been an hour. Let's go see how this shit ends. And then I gotta book a hotel stay with booking.com. Doesn't even, you know, the pod racer is cute. I spent money on that, I guess. I don't really remember. But it doesn't, the noise isn't as good as the actual pod racers. You know, like it's not doing fucking, you know, it's not going like, you're not getting your like pussy THX'd off. You know what I mean? You're booting this up on Fortnite. It's like, oh yeah, that's a pod racer. You're not sitting there like, oh! And that's what pod racing's all about. Pod racing is all about your pussy and Sebulba, and that's it. That's what. Why is there a checkered line here like it's a race? Kirby, can you ride on the... Okay, I was gonna say, can you get on? See, we don't need GTA RP. This is actually better than GTA RP. This is actually 100% better. No, like edgy cringe lords. No fucking like internet tough guys. No one's like gonna be in my DMs asking me for pictures of my vulva. I could just RP as Solid Snake, drive around in my motorcycle in McDonald Land, almost run over, almost VDM'd, who's that, Grandpa? Almost VDM'd Grandpa. This is better than GTA RP. Thank you, Fortnite. Everyone in chat say thank you, Fortnite. Sorry, I'm grinding. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh my god, gang war. Oh shit, gang war that I'm going to get in my gang Discord server and crash out over every time that I catch an L. And make accusations that the other people are bad people because I'm in conflict RP and I don't know how to handle conflicts and I don't know how to separate roleplay from real life. And now I'm the Mayor McCheese. Fuck yeah. Okay, so we put in all the stamps. Nice, that was worth it. What the fuck what's the professor building in here? It's asking me for a code. Didn't do that for me. Oh shit, now I'm outside. Now I'm inside. Did I miss a stamp? You must have missed a stamp. I got all the stamps. What are we doing? This is canonically how Solid Snake dressed at the end of MGS4. This is actually what he wore. Oh, the Burger Boys. Okay, so what is this? We enter the professor's goon cave and that's it? Look, Ronald, I've made the most magnificent discovery. I call it the Tenga. That's it. We spent an hour on this, and this is the reward. That's it. This is all we get. Hold on, but we're about to make it really cool, though. Check this out. It was all worth it. I like that you can hear the fade into the next verse. You can hear the fade it. Wait, which McDonald Land character is this? I think that's an Overwatch character. But I like that you can hear the fade in of like, and then they fade it out. Well, now I just want to listen to Chappelle Ronan. Kirby, did you end up missing a stamp? Did you fix it? Oh yeah, you're in the Goon Cave. This is what Snake's gonna look like in the MGS4 remake. All right, you want to get on? We'll ride off into the sunset. Fuck yeah. Hard as hell, dude. Fuck yeah. How's he doing that? Damn, he's talented. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Hey, what are you doing back there? Alright, that one actually kind of goes hard as hell. Oh, Captain Crook's ship. Wait, I want to go to Captain Crook's ship. There's probably no way to get on it, is there? Oh, except for you got on it. Oh, there we go. Wow, Captain Crook's ship. Wowee. You know what this ship layout reminds me of? Popeye on the Nintendo Switch 2. Or, well, Switch 1. Who the fuck just threw that? Who the fuck just threw that? All right, well, that's the end of this. This was worth it. I had fun. This shit does suck, but it's so bad that it's funny to me. It is, like, comically, like, lame. In a way that I appreciate. I think I got 2 battle pass levels. I think I got 5, dude. You weren't getting as many shakes as I was. All right, well, that's that. Now I can uninstall Fortnite again. So that's nice. Now I could just not play Fortnite ever again. And my life, ooh, my life will be so good. Skip. Pass. How do I, wait, locker? Pass. Battle pass. Battle pass rewards. Yeah, hell yeah. Claim. You can get the shadowed, the shattered Halo ring is a back bling. Yeah, okay. Yeah, why not? Great. Oh, I'm gonna take the V-Bucks though. Okay, what did I get on the OG pass? What does that even mean? What is the OG pass? Okay, the music pass? I got stuff on all these passes and I don't know how I did it, but I did it. I don't know how's I done it, but I done's it. They all level when you level. That's a lot of passes. Nice, dude. I got the shitter set for Lego. Nice, man. I got the poop set. I got the shit yourself set. That's good. Chat. Close. Okay, are we done with this? We good? Did everyone have a perfectly cromulent time with this? Because I don't want to. No Fortnite ever again. Close. There's too much stuff I want to buy in the shop. And do what with? When do you play Fortnite? Dark Rodney Rising. This is Dark Rodney King. Fuck bitches. Get respect. Well, that's the end of that. Now what? Now, what's the point in going on? I feel like I got everything. I feel like I got everything out of life I'm gonna get at this point after that. I feel like there's no point. Let's end on like a big finale. Check this out. Check this out. You're gonna love this. Hi.